You're staring at it right now, or it's within arm's reach, a glass rectangle that contains your entire world, your validation, and your escape. Last week, I put mine in a drawer. I replaced it with a plastic flip phone from 2005. No apps, no infinite scroll, no blue light to numb the silence. I thought I'd feel free. I didn't. I felt naked. I felt exposed. And then I realized the phone wasn't just a tool for communication, it was a shield. A shield protecting me from the one person I've been avoiding for years. Myself. Day 1. The phantom vibrations are the loudest thing in the room. You reach for your pocket because you're bored, or because the elevator doors are taking 3 seconds too long to close. Your hand hits empty fabric. There is no hit of dopamine waiting for you, just the cold realization that you don't know what to do with your own hands when no one is watching. We tell ourselves we use these devices for productivity or staying connected. That's the lie we trade for our sanity. The truth is much uglier. We use them to outsource our presence. If I am looking at a screen, I don't have to look at the mess in my head. If I am listening to a podcast, I don't have to listen to the anxiety brewing in my chest. By day 3, the itch turned into a dull ache. I went to a coffee shop. No laptop, no smartphone, just me and a plastic brick that can barely send a text message. I watched the people around me. It was haunting. A couple sitting across from each other, both staring down. A father waiting for his daughter, refreshing a feed instead of watching her play. We aren't living our lives anymore. We're narrating them to an audience that doesn't actually care, while the actual experience evaporates in real time. You think you're in control. You think you can balance it. But ask yourself, when was the last time you sat in a room for 10 minutes with absolutely no input? No music, no video, no scrolling. The discomfort you feel in that silence, that's not boredom. That's your soul trying to speak to you, and you've been drowning it out with a 6-inch screen for a decade. By day 5, the clarity started to get aggressive. Without the constant noise, my brain began to bring up things I'd filed away under "I'll deal with that later." Regrets, questions about my career, the slow burning realization that I've been busy, but I haven't been moving. The smartphone is a master at making us feel like we're doing something when we're actually standing still. It gives us the illusion of progress through information gathering. You're not learning, you're just consuming. You're not connecting, you're just observing. Flip phone didn't give me more time, it gave me more reality. And reality is heavy, it's quiet, it's often incredibly boring. But in that boredom, I found the edges of my own mind again. I found the parts of me that the algorithm had smoothed over to make me a better consumer. At the end of the 7 days, I picked my smartphone back up. The screen felt too bright. The notifications felt like an assault. I realized that the clarity I was looking for wasn't a feature I could download. It was the natural state I had been actively suppressing. I'm not going to tell you to throw your phone away. I'm not going to give you a 5-step digital detox plan. That would be too easy. Instead, I want you to look at your phone right now. Look at it. Are you using it to build a life, or are you using it to hide from the one you already have? Only you know the answer, and you're the only one who has to live with it.